Hey everyone, so today I will show you how to create a WhatsApp channel, fairly easy. So the first thing you want to do is just open up that WhatsApp application, and then this is where the default view here. And then so what you're going to want to do is go to the Updates tab, and then from here under Channels, as you can see right here, just click on the plus icon, and then click on Create Channel. And then you can just hit continue here until the channel name. And once that's done, just tap create channel. And there you go. Simple as that. You now have a WhatsApp channel. So thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you have any future video ideas.